Alright, I got called out to this roof for a flat roof EPDM rubber membrane leak right in the corner there where we started tearing it off. Could have been also coming from the skylight area, so we added some sealant around there, but the skylight is so old I couldn't give a warranty for that, but we knew it was coming in from this corner as well. So we cut out this section. It was wet under there. We used a special EPDM cleaner to clean around it. Yeah, all that fiberboard was completely wet, so we knew we were in the right spot. Then we took our primer and primered the edges of our repair area. We'll go ahead and do that on our patch piece as well, but you're going to put primer on both sides, the old and the new. And you're going to, in this particular case, you want it to go up the sidewall, so it's a continuous seam up the sidewall under that black flashing there. That's important. Then we're going to use 3-inch seam tape. We're going to go ahead and cut it in sections. You would clean and primer one side, install your seam tape with roller, leave the plastic on, and then you do it on your new piece. So you're going to go right up that sidewall. We're going to make sure it adheres well in the corner. That's the most important junction. And then we're going to tuck it under that counter flashing. Hitting that roller first with our EPDM roller, and then working our way around to make sure we get it good contact and we get good adhesion, no air bubbles. Go ahead and work our way around the target patch. And we won't do the sides yet. We will just do these two sides right here, but we'll leave that last side done because we have to go up the sidewall with it. So see how we're rolling that out, getting all those wrinkles out. Every square inch of that should be rolled with a hand roller. Then we take some EPDM. It comes in 2 thicknesses here in Rochester anyway. We purchased the EPDM that we think is best for this particular job and whether it's being walked on and things like that. Go ahead and cut out a section for this repair. This is a dry fit. Now that we have it in the approximate size that we want, we're going to go ahead and primer the other side, which is the underside of the new material. If you take tar, if you have a roof leak like this and you take tar and you try to just patch it, it's not going to work. Tar is not compatible with this material. This material is very popular on flat roofs, all over commercial buildings, skyscrapers, all kinds of things. You'll see this a lot, even on residential use. Then we're going to go ahead and add our EPDM adhesive on both sides, the roof deck, and also the new EPDM membrane target patch. And then we're going to go ahead and move it into place and also roll that, and you'll get a good patch. This is the way to do a target patch for EPDM. We have a lot of success with this, and it works out very well if you follow all the steps correctly.